Hello guys! Buksan natin yung cakes. Ayan. Ito yung cake guys. Hi! Charan! Baliktad yung cake natin. Baliktad natin ang ating cake. Ayan, napaka-cute ng ating cake. So, 4 lang yan kasi 4 kami. Ayan. So, kunin natin guys ha. Ito yung reveal ng ating cake. Chua! Happy Father's Day! Ayan, super cute. At may isa pa. Buksan natin yung isa. Ayan, charan, charan, charan. Ayun, ang cute, cute. Yes, dahil Father's Day ngayon, ito yung ating cake. At saka chocolate cake. Charan. Ayan, ang cute. Ay. Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Thank you.
Yes, and ito ang sa akin. Strawberry cakes. Strawberry cake at ayun, chocolate cake. Lagay natin dito ang aking. Ayan, cheat day ako ngayon. Aking chocolate cake. Try natin. Cute ng aking spoon guys. O, Sakura. Try natin. Hala. No. Oo. Ayan, try natin. Chocolate cakes. Ito ang strawberry cake. Kaya try natin. Sarap. Ito. Ang pinaka-cute. Ito lang guys. Bye.